Continuing series of Mortgage 101, we're going to talk about income and the documents we'll need in order to get you qualified for a home loan. Yes, the amount of documents needed in order to qualify has increased in the past few years. However, by knowing upfront what you need, we can help make this process a lot easier for you as you're looking to get qualified for a loan, whether that be an FHA, a VA, a USDA, or conventional loan, or even a jumbo. It's funny, our standard joke around the office is that along with the documents, we'll need to get a blood sample and DNA samples at the time of application. But it's really not that bad. You must get pre-approved before you can qualify. So to get pre-approved, just click here. Analyzing your income helps us to calculate a debt ratio. Your debts, including the new housing payment and all your other monthly debts, should not exceed 45% of your gross monthly earnings. In order to calculate the income, we're going to need 2 recent pay stubs, your last 2 years W-2s, and in some cases your last 2 years of full tax returns. Depending on your situation, we may also need to get some additional documents such as a divorce decree, bankruptcy paperwork, or business tax returns. So give us a call or email us with any questions on the documentations needed to get a home loan, and we look forward to serving you and helping you get pre-approved.